In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get redeem codes in Survivor.io. As you can see here, this is the site where you can browse and find these redeem codes or the reward codes. You can try them out if they are working using this link, which is this. Once you click this, it will redirect you to the Survivor code where you can input your game ID, the reward code, and also you need to finish the verification code. And just click the redeem button and then that's it. The reward code will now work if it's valid. So these are the all active or available Survivor.io codes, so try them out. And that's how you can get redeem codes in Survivor.io, and thank you for listening.